Uncolos. Echibolo turn your life. Echibolo turn your colors. Brother, man, I say that.
Alright, my man. How are you, bro? Yeah, I'm good, my man. What's up? You can sit, man. You can have sit, man.
No, I don't want to sit, man.
Why?
I have too much stress, bro.
What's stressful?
A lot of things happening.
You are man, most. Man is everything is always like this.
Yeah, I know. Life is up and down, but
You see, so you
but I
don't
have
take
too much, bro.
You must not take too much. But medicine. Medicine.
For stress.
If you want to fly Canada, this one is taking time.
This guy. Don't be funny now.
Like you don't understand.
I don't understand what I said.
You see this one? This one's better. If you have stasis much at your head, you carry this one. 1 puff, 2 puff. You carry it
I've
yourself.
never tried this thing, man.
But now today you go try them.
I've never tried.
Baba, make a light for you. You go enjoy them. You are stressed. You see your stress. Your stress is gonna fry.
Why are you sure?
Trust me. Let me light for you.
How does it
I
feel?
promise you. See this one. If you
How does it feel?
It's free. Make I see you. You go see yourself now. Make I light it. You go light it. I must light first.
I do it.
Okay. You see this one, Papa. This one. They say only this one. It can carry man from one place to another place without visa.
This guy.
Without visa, without passport. Canada, you go fly him. Trust me. I show you.
Okay. I want to see.
2 times 5. 7 times 2.
Wait.
2 plus 2.
This one. This one is strong, bro. No, don't do it. Carry it inside. Take.
Now boys some colors. See, if you greet me for road and no answer, I need your colors. If you chat me and no reply, I know I'm on colors. Kidney Anyaga, wow, boys on colors. Odikana, I need your colors. Upon name.
You don't go understand. This one. That's what.
You see this one?
What?
Like fries.
Fries.
Yeah.
There's no fries here now. Where's fries now? No fries here. Do you see fries?
You don't feel something like
Feeling? Here. I don't feel anything. Do you feel anything? Why?
It's like a fries.
Where's the fries now? Yeah, don't send the fries. Where's the fries now? There's no fries here. What's wrong with you? Why are you crying now? Why you start crying? What's wrong with you, bros? Now only colors they make you cry for this.
My head is heavy.
Your head is heavy. So you want Panadol? Can I give you Panadol? You want medicine?
No, it's heavy.
It's very heavy. Cut it off now. Bros, what happened now?
Look there. Come show you. Look there.
What now? What are you doing, bros? What are you doing now?
Look there.
What are you doing? Baba, sit here now first. What are you doing now? What did they say for that?
Brother, you see that clothes?
What is? Dancing, I don't see anything that's like. How did you ever see that clothes is dancing now?
He's dancing like
Papa now, clothes be this now. Relax. What is wrong with you now? Relax now. This is not clothes in the work. You see, relax now. Why you say the dancing clothes is dancing? You ever see that the clothes is dancing? What the clothes is dancing there? What the clothes is dancing there that side? You don't say anything.
again.
What? You don't say anything now. What is going on? Papa now, you see, Papa now, this is not colors now. You see, this guy, one more, this guy, child, let I go, okay?